For Bilt members, the home is the center of everything. We set out to make it more rewarding, and now we're making it easier to get even more out of your neighborhood. Introducing Bilt's Neighborhood Concierge, your neighborhood insider that helps you at home and offers you curated recommendations in your neighborhood, all in one place. Have a maintenance request? The concierge is on it. Need to restock essentials? Place a home delivery order right in the chat and have it delivered to your doorstep in a matter of minutes. Send a simple message to book a fitness class, earn rewards, and never miss out on member-exclusive benefits. Need recommendations for a night out? A quick chat with a concierge and your evening is booked. And the best part? All the points you earn along the way add up to something much bigger. Just one of many benefits built into being a Bilt member.